All right, let me tell you about 4 old school tips and tools I still use to do math. Number 1, a good old fashioned number 2 pencil. Yes, I do like lead pencils. I do like, um, I do math on the computer and whatnot, but there's nothing like putting a number 2 pencil to paper, especially if it's one of these Ticonderoga pencils. It's nothing like it. I enjoy it, and I think everybody should do math with a number 2 pencil. Number 2, a calculator, specifically a graphing calculator. Now, this isn't the one specifically that I have, but I have like a TI-83, and I try not to use a calculator unless I really need it. But I say this in contrast to a lot of students these days are using like the tools that are on the internet and whatnot. But I like my disconnected calculator. It's not connected to the internet, no distractions. It's just there for the math. So yeah, I still use a graphing calculator. Number 3 tip I use, I carry the 1 when I do math. So when I work out a math problem, addition, subtraction, that requires me to carry, this is how I do it. I don't bust it up and slap it down and draw boxes and all this kind of stuff. Um, that stuff is weird to me. I just carry the 1 because at the end of the day, it helps me to understand when I'm taking tens from here to go there and vice versa. It just makes sense to me. And number 4, I use my mind. Now, the reason why I say that it probably sounds silly, but the reason why I say it is because the fact that we live in the age of artificial intelligence, and a lot of students are starting to use AI to solve problems and even kind of wonder the worth of it. But remember, math develops your thinking abilities, it develops your critical thinking abilities, your mind, how you look at the world, how you process things. So I'm a very firm believer in trying to use this thing that we have in between our ears to develop it. Math develops your mind. You know, if you get stuck, you can ask questions, but I prefer to ask people, to be honest, rather than AI. So what old school tips, tools, or whatever do you still use to do math? Let me know in the comments.